Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the In the Pines bundle. So here's the bundle. It's In the Pines and Pinewood dies, and it has these lovely outline tree stamps as well as these watercolor stamps that you can use to fill in the outline trees, and then dies to cut them out, as well as extra tree dies and extra slope dies. Love the slope dies, and this peekaboo die as well. And then greetings and a snow stamp. Love it. Ground stamp, and then a branch or a bark or a, what am I trying to call this? A stump, not a stump. You know what I'm trying to call that. It'll come to me. The trunk. That's what it is. So I'm going to start by stamping the background trees in the background on here, and then all the snow. So I'm going to bring in a scratch piece of paper to stamp all of that. And I'm going to stamp it in Pear Pizzazz. And I love this little stamp right here. It's got all this little cluster of trees. And I'm just going to stamp them all the way across my horizon here. There we go. And then now I'm going to stamp the little watercolor ones, and I'm going to fill those in. Do it a little bit lightly. And it gives it this watercolored look. It's so pretty. Love it. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of fun background with some pool party and the scattered dots or snow stamp. So here's the pool party, and here's the dots. I'm just gonna come in here, just randomly stamp the dots. I'm just gonna rotate the stamp here, there, wherever. Some in there, some down in here. There we go. That looks nice. Clean that off. All right. So now I'm gonna stamp the greeting. Move this out of the way in Smoky Slate on Pool Party, and just move this out of the way. Do Season's Greetings right here, right in the middle there. Perfect. And then I'm going to use the banners Pick a Punch to do the little banner ends here. So there's one. There's flies up in the air. And there's two. Okay, so now I'm going to put the card together. So I'm just going to lay this background down flat onto my card using Stampin' Seal. And then I'm going to lay this snowbank down that I cut out with the dies. Love the snowbanks. I'm just gonna place it up to align with the bottom of my background piece here. And then I've got all these fun trees stamped and cut out. I've got dimensionals on them, and I'm gonna place them all in front here on dimensionals. So I'm gonna place, and then I've got some cut out of silver foil. I've got some dimensionals on those. Not fun. Got dimensionals on that. And let's do this one. I've got some half mini dimensionals cut out on this one. Pretty thin. This one over here. And a little tiny tree over here. Just right there. And then we'll put some dimensionals on the greeting. And there we go. There is our lovely winter scene card. I'm offering a class on the In the Pines bundle, and you'll receive supplies for these cards when you place a $30 order on my website using the December hostess code. Just email me and let me know that you would like the In the Pines bundle card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this card, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.